Richard Milhous Nixon, a member of the Republican Party, was the 37th President of the United States, serving from 1969 to 1974. Richard Milhous Nixon was born on January 9, 1913, in what was then the Township Precinct of Yorba Linda, California, in a house built by his father, located on his family's lemon ranch. His parents were Hannah Milhous Nixon and Frances A. Nixon. Richard Nixon died at age 81 on April 22, 1994, due to damage to the brain caused swelling cerebral edema, and slipped him into a deep coma. When the president does it, that means it's not illegal. You've got to learn to survive a defeat. That's when you develop character. Federal and state laws should be changed to no longer make it a crime to possess marijuana for private use. People have got to know whether or not their president is a crook. Well, I'm not a crook. I earned everything I've got. If you take no risks, you will suffer no defeats. But if you take no risks, you win no victories. Remember, always give your best. Never get discouraged. Never be petty. The greatest honor history can bestow is that of peacemaker. Never let your head hang down. Never give up and sit down and grieve. Find another way. Don't pray when it rains if you don't pray when the sun shines. The presidency has many problems, but boredom is the least of them. Don't get the impression that you arouse my anger. You see, one can only be angry with those he respects. You must never be satisfied with losing. You must get angry, terribly angry, about losing. But the mark of the good loser is that he takes his anger out on himself and not his victorious opponents or on his teammates. I really believe life is simple. It's all the other people that make things complicated. It is necessary for me to establish a winner image. Therefore, I have to beat somebody. If you want to make beautiful music, you must play the black and the white notes together. I see the face of a child. He lives in a great city. He is black, or he is white. He is Mexican, Italian, Polish. None of that matters. What matters, he's an American child. Let us build bridges, my friends. Build bridges to human dignity across that gulf that separates Black America from White America. We cannot learn from one another until we stop shouting at one another, until we speak quietly enough so that our words can be heard as well as our voices. The press is the enemy. Let us move from the era of confrontation to the era of negotiation. Defeat doesn't finish a man, quitting does. A man is not finished when he's defeated, he's finished when he quits. The man of thought who will not act is ineffective. The man of action who will not think is dangerous.